Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we will see how to install latest version of Dooo Movie App on your server and know what's new in it. This is a review guide. First step, download and extract your source code from Canyon. Developer has changed few things on Android side. We will see that in later part of this section. Now we will do the server installation part. Till here, everything is same. But after that, you need to change your PHP version to 7.4. The good news is many people, especially students, has faced issue in installing this script because previously it support 8.1 version. If you're a student, then it's good news for you. Changing the PHP version is straightforward. Go to Manager, choose the domain, select the 7.4 version. Simply do script support anything greater than version 7 and less than version 8. I suggest using 7.4, since many hosting has depreciated 7.3 and lesser versions. Now, we will proceed in the installation of script. Next part is to connect our database. Since there is no change in this part, I just ask you to observe and change if required. One thing I like to add, use Database Wizard for error-free DB connection. We have successfully installed. Let's wait for server to do its task. Remember, PHP version alone has been changed still. Your server must have fopen extension to make installation successful. Our server part is completed. Now let's go to Android installation part. Extract the Android source. Open the Android Studio. I suggest use latest version, but still check if it's beta or stable release before you do so. Android Studio showing some error, but wait. Let's Gradle complete its task. Meanwhile, we will see the new method of app config file. In the folder, you can see new file called remote config. We are going to upload this to our Firebase console. Then, whenever you want to change the server, you can simply change it from there. This is most needed feature and highlight of this update. Hereafter, there is no need to change the package name several times in CPP folder. As many know this part, I just leave without narration. We need package name. So let's go to Android and see what it's doing. Error is simple. Android want us to remove a code snippet called dex from Gradle page. Reason dex will be automated in future updates. So let's go to build.gradle file and search for dex snipped and delete it. Type your package name and keep in Notepad. This will come in handy when Android asks it. Renaming package has no changes, although previous version had a huge problem, but this version has fixed all of it. Package has been splitted, but don't worry, just do what I do. For now, we have no major issue. Still, while building, we will know it fully. In splash screen, we have some error. Let's see and fix it. Just follow my steps. Problem is package name is wrong. All you have to do is change it back to our new package name. All done. You will also get build config error. Just group it, we will fix it together. This type of error will only get clear if you rebuild your project. So let's do it and proceed with Admin Panel.
We used to download Firebase file in this step, but here is a change. Don't do it for now if you're creating project first time. We will add the remote config file and then download Firebase file later. To upload Firebase remote config, you need to go to Release menu and choose Remote Config option. Here you have to upload the template provided by developer and wait for it to complete. This is your app config file. You can add your server details and API keys securely here. Remember to publish all things together. Because Firebase is like lazy load, it will take few minutes to hour for reflecting changes in your app. So don't have habit of adding URL and API key as separate publish. Now it's time to download our Firebase config file. Let's download and then upload it to a PAP folder of our project.
Yes, now we will fix the error which we grouped before and just ignore the mismatch error for now. Check for the name com.duo.android and import it. Some rare cases build generated as your own package name. There is no harm in adding that as import. I can assure you 99% of error has got fixed. We will proceed in adding new movie to app.
As a first part of testing, I would like to test drama movies. For this purpose, I am using an open source license and video. Our Android Studio is showing some error. Let's fix it first.
Yes, this point out that some package name issue in fragment adapter of our new template file. Don't worry, we can fix it. Now, right-click on Liquid Pager Fragment, then import the package. After that, remove the error, import, and build the project. I hope this is the last error we get. While it's building, we will tweak few things from Admin Panel.
In recent update, developer have added few things in Admin Panel. One of them is onboarding animation. We will enable it. Another one is pin lock. We will see about it later part of this session. Now, over to Android app.
Yes, our app successfully built at last. We will see what it kept for us. This is the onboarding animation that we turned on. It's quite good. And we entered the app without any crashes. Thanks to developer once again for the fixes. Let's try to run a movie. And here is an error. Maybe it's because of phone issue. Let's see what Android says. Android says same it's media codec video renderer error. My phone processor is not compatible with this stream. But I leave the URL below. Please check and tell if it work on your devices. As per many people's request, developer has added stream hide source to app. So let's test it. Stream hide source is working good. Previously, people complained that we may face crashes on Resume. So let's test that too. It's working correctly. While restarting, we will test it once again. Now, I will test if Dolphy audio is working or not. We will add an uncompressed directal link. This is StreamHide's direct link, so taking some time. And here we go. Let's see what our audio track shows. And to our surprise, audio track shows 5.1 surround sound option. There is a problem, not all link play with this extension. Depend on phone sometime. It might not work, and we cannot compare that. Famous video player with Exaplayer here. So I consider 5.1 audio is working. Developer also added few changes in setting page, like you can toggle autoplay, and most importantly, you can toggle notification and extension. Next feature is pin lock. Developer added this feature so you can let the app be used by verified users, can change the key and share on your group on anywhere where all the users on that group can use the app. For now, this has some less feature hope in future. We might use it as parent lock or similar feature. Previously, when our server is down, we will see infinity loading. So to make it responsive, developer has added a server error pop-up. Let me show it by removing the URL from Firebase. When you start the app, it will load. Don't worry, clear the app data and try now. Here we go. Server is not responding dialog. so user can quit the app and wait till it's back. Finally, we will test one signal notification. It's working. I will show how to fix the error.
Go to WhenSignal website. Remember to turn off your ad blocker, and I have added website in description of this video. Create a fresh app. Give it a name and choose Google Android option. Press the Setting option in Firebase console and got to Cloud Messaging tab. By default, it will be disabled. You can enable it by pressing Manage API link inside More button. Keep your Firebase key and API confidential. I will mostly delete this key after this video, so I have not blurred it. Paste it in OneSignal dashboard. First, copy this API to admin panel. You don't have to add OneSignal to Android app. Everything will be fetched from Firebase via backend. Remember, OneSignal count the subscriber by the current logged-in user. So first, you have to log in to the test device. You also need to see the settings if notification is enabled or not. We will check if connection is working or not. It has detected my phone has a target user, so let's test by sending raw notification. Notification is working correctly. We will test from Firebase now. This is the problem people face. Let's see what Chrome console tells us. It says something is blocking the notification. We will quickly cross-check with called Stack Overflow. It is claimed to be third party is blocking the notification. For me, my ad blocker is blocking. So let's disable it and try to run once again. This time, it should be working. And it worked successfully. Lastly, genre is now support different language. Previously, when you add genre with different language, it won't work, but now it's working fine. Developer has added new payment gateway to app. You can test and tell me the results.
Yes, finally, we have come to end of this review. Overall, it's good update and happy coding. Thank you.